Welcome to Take a Minute. I'm Noemi, and in these stressful times, I'm here to share some tips with stay-at-home moms, working moms, and everything in between moms.
In this week's Take a Minute, let's talk about fresh recommendations. The Palm Branch Library is proud to present the Fresh Recommendations Book Club, a new program starting in March 2022. How is the Fresh Recommendations Book Club different? The Fresh Recommendations Book Club is different because participants are not obligated to read the same book as the group, nor are they obligated to read from a designated reading list. So how does the Fresh Recommendations Book Club work? The Fresh Recommendations Book Club only requires a few simple steps. Step 1. Go to the Palm Branch Library and check out any book, English or Spanish, fiction or nonfiction, traditional or graphic novel, it doesn't matter. You choose the book. Step 2. While you are there at the Palm Branch Library, pick up a special Fresh Recommendations bookmark like the one you see here. Step 3. Fill out the bookmark and in your own words briefly explain why you like the book, would recommend the book, or explain what the book was about. Step 4. Return the book and the bookmark to the Palm Branch Library, and in exchange, you will receive a free Fresh Recommendations car air freshener. This air freshener can be personalized with any of the essential oil fragrances you see here. Can I get more than one free air freshener? Yes, you can redeem as many Fresh Recommendations bookmarks as you like for new car air fresheners. Just keep reading and recommending. One final note. The books returned with a Fresh Recommendations bookmark will be on display at the Palm Branch Library. These books, along with the bookmark, will be available for other patrons to browse and check out. For more information, call or come by the Palm Branch Library at 3401 Jordan Road, McAllen, Texas, or call us at 956-681-3110. And this is Take a Minute.
This has been Take a Minute. I'm Noemi with the Palm Branch Library, asking you to take a minute to take care of yourself so you can take care of your family.